Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna talk about how I was able to repair my CPU fan. So recently I bought this fan about 6 or 8 months ago, and this fan stopped working. Unfortunately I was in a hurry, so I had to buy another one which I have already installed in my CPU. But I was looking forward to repair this fan because the fan was spinning a little bit, but then it would not spin as it's supposed to spin, like it is spinning now. So when I would spin it with my hand, it would just stop and it wasn't spinning as freely as it is spinning now. So in order to make this work, I knew that I had to oil this, clean the fan, and add some lubricant inside the bearing or the axial on which the fan was rotating. But when I looked, it was very difficult for me to get to the fan because these screws were attached using these metal clips. Now in order to open the fan, what I did was I broke off these clippings. As you can see, these metal clippings, and then the bolt would simply came out. All these 4 bolts came out. Then I was able to separate the heatsink with the fan, and then I was able to repair the fan. The fan that I'm using here is the Zebronics LGA 775 socket fan. So I wasn't able to get this off, so only option I had was to break these off. So I used a plier and broke these off. So then the screws came off, and then all I had was the inside of the fan. So the inside of the fan looked somewhat like this. This is another brushless fan, and this is also made like this fan is made. So inside you will find a small axial on which the fan rotates. And previously the fan wasn't rotating because there was some dust and other debris which was stopping the fan, and also the fan lubrication or the oil has already evaporated off, and that's why the fan wasn't able to spin properly. So what I did was I plugged the fan and started rotating with my hand, and then I used some spray gun, and then I added some alcohol inside this port in the middle and let the fan run. So the fan started running properly, and I added some more alcohol to dissolve some of the previous oil as well as some other debris. Now alcohol is non-conductive as well as non-corrosive, so it will not damage your fan or other electronics part, and it will not rust any of the parts inside your computer, inside your fan, sorry. After that I took some grease and some motorbike oil, added the grease and motorbike oil inside the hole there at the axial, and which is on which the fan spins basically. And after that the fan was able to spin properly, and now this fan is just like new. The only problem with this method is that the grease or the oil that you're using will not last you very long, so you will have to clean the fan at least maybe 6 or 7 months, depending upon how dirty your room is or how much dust is accumulated on top of the fan over time. Anyways, this is how I was able to repair my CPU fan. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.